Today, we're going to concentrate on three main ideas. We're going to try to understand what is the identity of our swing trades. Who are we as swing traders? Are we a short-term swing trader? Are we an intermediate swing trader? Or are we a long-term campaign trader? Pretty significant question to answer. Sometimes we have trainees that have that question asking themselves or us what's better. And like my instinct there as a coach is always, what do you think? What do you feel? What is more comfortable emotionally? What kind of fits your mindset? And then we just build on that as an awareness of who you are. Today, I'm going to give you very simplistic techniques. One of the things that I see in training is that simplicity comes from complexity, right? And to gain the complexity, you have to have a lot of knowledge, a lot of skill built in. So I'm going to show you the simple techniques of how to stay in line with the market. But at the same time, I'm going to give you an idea that you don't really have to know the bias of the market as long as you could choose the correct stock. And then we're going to go into the selection. And this is where our first major obstacle is. How do we select the correct stocks?